எனக்கு இன்னும் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு, எங்கள் அம்மாவுக்கு ஃபோன் யூஸ் பண்ண தெரியாமல் இருந்ததுன்னா நான் எங்கள் அண்ணெல்லாம் உட்காந்து அவங்களுக்கு கற்றுக் கொடுப்போம். இப்படி தான் ஃபோனை ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும், இப்படி தான் ஆப் ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி. ஸோ எங்கள் அம்மா she is 87 years old and she is able to make the calls to me. That is what is digital literacy. ஹலோ அண்ட் வணக்கம், வெல்கம் பேக். இன்னைக்கு பேச போறது டிஜிட்டல் லிட்ரஸி. டிஜிட்டல் லிட்ரஸினா என்னன்னா, ஹவு டு லேர்ன் சிம்பிள் டிஜிட்டல் திங்ஸ். இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போனீங்கன்னா, நீங்க உங்க அம்மா அப்பாவை கால் பண்றீங்க, யுவர் பிரதர்ஸ் சிஸ்டர்ஸ் நீங்க கால் பண்றீங்கன்னா, ஒன்ஸ் அப்பான் அ டைம் we used to use the phones. இன்னைக்கு you use your phone and you can see them on the video and you can talk to them. For example, எங்க அம்மா she is 87 years old. இன்னைக்கு அவங்களோட I call her on WhatsApp video chat and we are able to talk, and she is able to use the WhatsApp video, use the phone, and she's able to make the calls to me and is able to talk. That is what is digital literacy. Learning or knowing how to use the current set of tools is what is called as digital literacy. For example, நம்ம இந்தியால almost எல்லா street vendors யார்கிட்ட பேமெண்ட் பண்ணாலும் Google Pay, various different formats of payments எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றோம். யங்ஸ்டர்ஸும் அது பண்றாங்க, elderly citizensum அது பண்றாங்க, old people are also doing it. How are they able to do that? That is what is digital literacy. The economies, the way things operate is continuously changing. It is going to be completely digital. It is so important to acquire knowledge of digital literacy. That is what is digital literacy. For example, நீங்க tax pay பண்றீங்கன்னா, taxes have become online. Bill pay பண்றீங்கன்னா, bill payments are online. Everything, land registration. You're talking about medical records? Yeah, medical records are becoming online. So when everything is becoming online, it is so important that you need to be digital literate. Like for example, there's a new app which comes on the phone, right? And you think in the app எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? You never know how that app is going to be impacting how you're going to be utilizing that technology to empower you to do things better. So digital literacy is something very, very important. One, online communication. We spoke about the usage of digital literacy. You can generally communicate பண்றதுக்கு we use email, phones, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint, Word documents, presentation kaga. இதெல்லாம் simple skills which are needed for daily communication. So one of the fundamental facts ஒருத்தரோட communicate பண்றதுக்கு, I spoke about the example of my mom. For me to communicate with her, she needs to have a little bit of digital literacy avungalukku. So you are able to help them. If you are a child and your parent is elderly, help them get digital literate. எனக்கு இன்னும் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு, எங்க அம்மாக்கு ஃபோன் யூஸ் பண்ண தெரியாம இருந்ததுன்னா நான் எங்க அண்ணெல்லாம் உட்காந்து அவங்களுக்கு கற்றுக் கொடுப்போம். இப்படி தான் ஃபோனை ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும், இப்படி தான் ஆப் ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி. So it is so important for us to, as children, as parents, to help others become digitally literate. It's such a powerful moment. The moment she was able to make the phone call on her own, it was like an aha moment. Oh my God, she's able to make a phone call. But we hold the responsibility of making others digital literate as well. In another example I wanted to tell you is, என்னோட ஒரு Excel PowerPoint presentation நான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறப்ப, I did not know she was making me digitally literate on that particular technology. So communication காக digital literacy is something very, very important. Information evaluation. So நீங்க ஒரு research teamல வேலை செய்றீங்க, இல்லாட்டி ஒரு இன்டர்னா வேலை செய்றீங்க, எந்த ஜாப்ல இருந்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு டாஸ்க் கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா, அந்த டாஸ்கை நீங்க அகாம்ப்ளிஷ் பண்ணனும்னா, you'll have to do a little bit of research. It is important that you need to know how to use various different search engines, portals to do research, or AI tools like ChatGPT. இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி how can you do research? A critical component of digital literacy involves research as well for you to do your job better. So having that idea of how to go about using tools for research is a critical component as well. The last point which I want to talk about is, you could be working in any industry. You could be in art, science, math, sales, manufacturing, whatever it is. அது ஒரு technology ஜாபே இருக்காது. But you'll still have to use your laptop. You'll still have to send emails. You could be a construction engineer, but you'll still have to send the reports. So in any job, whatever you're going to do, you're going to use some amount of technology somewhere or the other. So for that, it is important you need to have digital literacy. You need to know how to use emails, right? Now உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பணும்னா, you need to know how to use emails. Or if I have to send it as a content, as a PDF file or whatever it is, you need to know how to use WhatsApp or whatever it is. So that is what digital literacy is all about, and it is so important for you to get digitally literate and also help others get digitally literate. That's what it's all about, the positive tribe. So if you like this content, please go ahead and share your comments, because we are able to create great content only because of the comments what you share. For the time what you've invested in watching this video, sharing, commenting, liking, I am forever grateful. Thank you and vanakkam.